I'm going to record this session. Very rare that I record, but I'm going to record today. Um, if you guys have any questions, please feel free to post them. You're able to chat with the panelists on here as well. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so before we do actually step into the presentation, do want to go over just a quick disclaimer with you guys. The use of our information, products, services should be based on your own due diligence and research. All right, so you agree that NovaTech will not be held liable for your business directly or indirectly related to our products and services. Please do your research. Trading is not for everybody, which is the basis of our business right now. Do not invest any money that you do not wish to lose. We are currently trading cryptocurrencies and Forex, so we'll go ahead and go into a little bit of what that means. But if you want to search for any financial advice, please seek the advice of a financial advisor before deciding to invest. All right, so who are we? So just to give you guys a little background about myself and our partners, my name is Cynthia Patillon, mompreneur, as I like to call it. Basically, my partners and I are leading professionals in a lot of different fields and services, including network marketing, real estate, computer engineering. My husband and I got started in network marketing and cryptocurrencies several years ago. And ever since then, it's the only thing that we've ever done. So over the years, we've grown networks, not only through the MLM process, but also just getting to meet people with common interests and goals and business partners who are interested in not only entrepreneurial type businesses, but cryptocurrencies and those types of things also. It goes a really long way, guys, in building your own businesses and investing when you get to be around people with common interests and goals. And it's one of the ways that we all got together to be able to form this company. I'm a big advocate of networking and cryptocurrencies in particular. It's amazing the impact that you can have not only on business relationships, but personal relationships, social relationships, and people's finances and the economy in general. So it was very important to us that we formed a business that people would be able to build fairly easily with very little capital or even knowledge about the field that we're in. But it's important to us that we were able to get together and just build a better business. We've spent many, many years building businesses for other people, including being in traditional jobs, Monday through Friday type jobs, going to school. And one of the fastest ways we found to not only be able to build our own financial security, but to help others is through this process. And it's amazing what you can do when you can actually get together with a group of people with common interests and be able to build a better business. And we decided to venture out and do this on our own after spending many years helping others build their businesses, only because we wanted to be able to have a great deal of transparency and integrity and be able to stand behind what it is that we do so that we know what goes into it and be able to have the flexibility and the transparency that we want to be able to offer our customers. So what is it that we do exactly at NovaTech? NovaTech is a legally registered hedge fund company. We got started back in June of this year, 2019, and it's ordered to provide customers with affordable investment solutions. All right, and that includes right now the trading of cryptocurrencies and Forex, using some of the latest technologies and platforms that we have available. Now, we are our own Forex broker. We're not using any third-party services in order to do the trading. We have our own platform. NovaTech serves as not only a hedge fund company, but also as a Forex broker, legally and licensed. So we have our own cryptocurrency exchange, and it also allows us to have one of the deepest liquidity pools in the market. What we're offering right now as part of our services is a cryptocurrency and Forex investment platform, a trader's room, including an MT5 trading platform, and cryptocurrency gateway in order to process payments. Now, we've also, as part of our program, incorporated an affiliate program. All right, but very important to us, we didn't want to build an MLM business that just happens to be trading. Okay, we've sold a lot of great products and been involved in a lot of great type businesses that way, but it was important to us that we offer a true trading experience and give people the ability to be able to network with it if they want to. All right, so whether on, you know, or how you earn income here is totally dependent on you. However, it's not one of those businesses where you have to network or you have to be part of the MLM in order to build your business. You can simply invest with the platform, get involved in the trading, and be able to earn, you know, through the trading process. Now, if you do want to network, you can, and we can go over that as well. But primarily what we're doing right now is cryptocurrency and Forex trading. Now, our program has no earning caps or limits. Okay, it was very important to us that if you are going to trade, that you actually earn the full experience of your trading. There are no expiration dates also. We're not going to tell you when to start and stop trading. And you can also cancel anytime and be able to withdraw your capital investment. And to us, that was the true backbone of what it is that we do here. A lot of programs, you get involved in them, they'll tell you, okay, you can start up with a certain amount, and then once your money's in, it's locked in. Okay, and we've had that happen to us many times also. And then it's just an experience of trying to catch up or network or do things and move quickly in order to try to get our capital back as fast as we can, right? Because sometimes that's the anxiety of joining a business, is you're giving your money not knowing when you're going to get it back or if you're even going to get it back sometimes. And trading and investing really shouldn't work that way. Whatever you put in, you should be able to have access to it and be able to withdraw it at your leisure. You should be able to stop and start whenever you want to. So with our program, you're actually able to make an investment, start your trading process, and if you love it, great, continue with it. And if you don't, you also have the ability to have access to your capital so that you can stop at any time. Now, if you withdraw that capital within a certain period of time, it may be subject to a processing fee, but for the most part, it's yours, it's there, you can see it, and it's not a process of waiting to gain it back, okay? From day one, you're in profit. Now that's assuming that the trading has gains that day, because with trading also both Forex and cryptocurrency, the balances are going to go up and down because there's days that there's gains and there's days that there's losses. One of the things we like to stress is to look at this as a long-term project. Yes, you can put your capital in, you can withdraw it whenever you feel like it, but this is a long-term business plan. It's not intended for you to double your money overnight, or for us to tell you in 6 months this is how much you'll have and your plans will expire. It runs as long as you want it to. And if you can look at this as a long-term progress or business, then you'll understand how it can fluctuate from month to month, week to week, or even day to day. Just a quick funny story for you guys, but we launched the business very late August, early September, with just a trial small group of maybe 30 or 40 investors or so to test the system. But we entered into the market in what was one of the most volatile trading months in history. So we went for quite a ride going up and down, but we're grateful for the experience also, because it goes to show you what goes into this type of business and process. It also teaches you a lot of disciplines also that are necessary in learning, but it also, you know, showed our customers that we can't get any more transparent than this. There's great days on the market and there's not so great days on the market. And our goal really is to just make sure that over time you have a business that you can rely on, that can actually help you generate income that you may not have been able to generate just on your own. Trading both Forex and cryptocurrencies is very popular nowadays. It's an extremely lucrative business to be involved in, but you do have to have some sense of dedication and responsibility to it, and understand essentially what it is that you're involved with. So what's the difference between the cryptocurrency and the Forex trading. So both of them you're trading on an open market. Now with cryptocurrency, this is it's simply just the exchange of crypto, sometimes crypto for crypto or crypto for fiat. And like Forex, you can buy and sell cryptocurrencies. You can hold it as well. And it's one of the ways to get involved in crypto without actually having to mine it. Now with Forex trading, now this is known as a foreign exchange. Unlike cryptocurrency, which trades 24 hours, 7 days a week, Forex is pretty much 24 hours, while markets are certain markets are open 5 days a week. It's one of the most actively traded markets in the world. It averages over a daily volume of 5 trillion US dollars a day. Now, for our trading platform, we've decided to use artificial intelligence, expert advisor technology. Basically what this does, they're bots that help automate the system. Now, very important when you're dealing with trading, it's not, there's really no true set it and forget it. The robots are meant to look at the market, analyze trends, come with algorithms, and they can literally react within milliseconds of time that a human or day trader wouldn't be able to do automatically. So when the market is moving very quickly, it's able to act on it very quickly as well. It's able to see trends and analyze it and be able to minimize losses, mitigate losses, and help increase profitability over time. Now, again, this isn't a set it and forget it program. Anybody who tells you that they're running strictly on bots, they don't even look at it, that, to me, that's a dangerous situation. A lot of times the market is driven by a slew of current events, market trends, real estate, oil, even a leader of a country will get on and make a decision, and you can see that the market is very much driven by that. And the bot isn't watching TV, guys. It's not reading the news or anything like that. So while it's an excellent tool, the process itself still requires people who are educated in the market, understand trading and the processes behind it, so that we can help facilitate it. So sometimes it does require human intervention. And it's very important that is integrated with the program as well. So how does this work exactly? So we actually have 2 platforms that we're working off of. One is for your general registrations and your affiliate programs, and that is where you're going to monitor all of your activities. But we also have it tied in with an actual investment and trading platform as well. So what you do essentially is you register with NovaTech, you deposit your money into the trading platform, and then within 24 to 48 hours, as long as your account is KYC verified, it will start to trade for you, and you can start making withdrawals as early as within a week. Withdrawals are processed every week, including any withdrawals that you want to make from your capital investment if you want to. And you have flexibility. You can add on to it at any time. You can withdraw from it at any time. And all of those details you'll find in the compensation plan once you register. It is important, though, that the KYC process is done. We do that, not only for our own protection, but for the protection of our customers, to avoid fraud, anti-money laundering. But it's really just to protect your account and the account as a company for NovaTech as well. We are registered in 3 countries, including Estonia, St. Vincent Grenadines, and the United States. Now, one of the things that we've implemented into our trading program, okay, is what we call a daily draw. All right, and this is going to get paid out to your account on every trading day. Trading days may be 5 days a week, it may be 6, it may be 7. Typically on the weekends, we have to do maintenance or server updates, so you may occasionally see where there will only maybe 5 trading days that week or 6 trading days that week, and that's totally normal. Now, what this allows you to do is to be able to withdraw from your trading balances on a weekly basis. All right, and if you are in profit, great, it'll just withdraw from your profits. If not, it allows you to be able to take from your trading balances without penalty. So anything that is paid to you in your back office through this daily draw program, you are able to withdraw from it. Now, if you don't withdraw from it, it stays in your trading balances. So if your trading balances are growing and it's compounding and it's increasing, it's totally fine to leave it there. But if you want the option of withdrawing, you can always do that also from your back office at NovaTech and not be penalized or have to worry about, where it's coming from or how much it's going to cost. Your daily balances as far as trading is always going to be reflected in your back office on your dashboard. So you can make an informed decision of whether or not you want to take it out or if you want to leave it trading, or a mixture of the both. But this allows you a great way to be able to withdraw from your profits and your capital investment if you want to, without penalty. Now, we have several different packages or tiers that you can enter in, and each one of these will have varying benefits as well. You can really start at any one of these or in between. $500 is the minimum to deposit. Why is that? Guys, if you look at trading really as a business or an investment option overall, you'll find that trading with smaller balances is not really beneficial. And we wanted to make sure that we are allowing you a trading experience that can actually benefit you. So we found that $500 was a good starting point. All right, it does include a $250 setup fee. Any amount that you deposit does. That's only paid once on your account and is paid annually. And that's basically for the setup and the maintenance of your account. It also helps to fund our affiliate program. One of the snags or snafus that a lot of businesses we found have run into over the years is that they set up programs that are extremely attractive, especially for a networker or somebody who likes to do affiliate marketing, but it's not really anything that's benefiting the business. And a business can only continue to grow and benefit its customers if it's a sustainable program and if it actually makes sense. If you look at trading, for example, if somebody gives you a $10,000 deposit to trade, you're supposed to be trading with $10,000, okay? But sometimes we find that balances are being removed and they're funding these exorbitant affiliate programs, and it's not the end user that really benefits from that. And the business ends up suffering, and we wanted to make sure, again, that we were building a better business so that it can sustain over the long term, and that the actual user, the investor, is investing in something that's helping to help them grow. So each one of these packages, as I indicate, have its own benefits and fees. The more you invest, the more beneficial it is to you. Also, we have a VIP program, which is $25,000 or more deposit. And this can accrue over time as well. But there are no fees, monthly fees for that. You earn an additional 1% back on all of your trading. So once a month, whatever you made in profits, we'll give you back 1% so that you can continue to trade with that. Now, if you're going to look at a snapshot of all of the packages, again, will have a $250 setup fee, and that'll just get deducted automatically when you make your deposit, and the balance of it will start to trade for you right away. It's only charged, again, once a year. Now, there is a monthly service fee, and that's for continuous upgrades, software upgrades, maintenance on your account, and that does tier starting at $35 going down to nothing. So again, the more you invest, kind of like when you have a checking account, the more you put in, the less it costs you to actually service the account. But there's no cap on the earnings, guys, and this is extremely important. Although there's a 1% daily draw, that's just what we're giving you back every day from your trading balances that you can withdraw from. But your account can make 5% in a day, it can make 50% in a month, it can make 1% in a month. So what's important to monitor is your actual trading activity and balances that is on your dashboard. We report all of the trading activity every single week so that you can see every single trade. We don't report it live, only because of trading strategies that we don't necessarily want to divulge, but all the trading reports are available to you. We also have a app that we're launching that will also include live trades if you wish to sign in as a viewable account just to see the current activity. So everything, again, is extremely transparent in there. So you're not wondering where it is or how it's working out. Guys, if we have a bad week in trading, you'll know we had a bad week in trading. It'll reflect in your balances. You'll be able to see the activity. But in the same token, if we have an amazing week, an amazing month, we don't hold back any of the profit that we're making. 100% of everything that we're making, profiting, somehow makes its way back into either the investor's hand or the networkers. All right, there is a percentage fee that's also paid on profit only. So what does that mean? Let's say you deposited $10,000 into your account and you made $2,000 in profit that week. From the $2,000 profit only, NovaTech will collect a percentage of it and the rest you keep. A percentage of that also gets paid back to the network as well, but that comes out of our earnings, not the user. All right, and again, it's only paid on profit, and it's only paid on profit once. So if your account goes up and you profited and we collect our fees and for some reason it goes down the next day or the next week, you know, because of market conditions, and it goes back up again, which is going to, we don't collect it a second time, okay? And that's to ensure that we're not collecting fees on poor service. All right, great service, pay a fee, poor service, nothing to pay. But again, it's, you know, we want to make sure that the end user is totally benefiting from the process. So let's talk a little bit about our referral program that we also offer. So just to summarize, for the user, for the investor, you can make any deposit amount starting at $500. You can add on to your trading balances at any time. You'll have access to all your trading reports, and you are able to stop and withdraw from your investment at any time also if you wish. Now, if you wish to bring others into the program with you as well, we do have a referral program. Now, it's not a binary, okay? It is a unilevel, and I know some people love unilevels, some people absolutely hate them. But one of the biggest concerns with setting up a unilevel is typically the team building process, all right? Because typically with a unilevel, every time you sign up somebody yourself, they're all going on a front line. And it doesn't do much for a team building. So we actually decided to take a couple of different processes, including matrix, binary, unilevel, and kind of combine it into a system that not only allowed us to be able to keep the plans sustainable, money had to make sense, but also give people the ability to team build. So although this is set up as a unilevel system, it's a hybrid or matrix system that allows you to be able to register a user and place them anywhere in the downline that you want. And what's the benefit of doing that? Well, not only are you getting paid off of that unilevel structure, but you're able to build group volume and build teams based on personal relationships or geography, or, you know, maybe you need certain volume and certain legs in order to reach your rank requirements. But this system was the one that we found that best suited people who needed to be able to build strongly and still be able to rely on the system itself. Now, there's several different ways that this affiliate program pays. It's actually a total of 7 different ways that it pays. Starting with the referral, the direct referral. This is for anybody that you bring in, and it's going to be based on their package. So if you bring in somebody at a bronze level, which is from $500 to $24.99, you'll get a $50 referral bonus. Silver package, $100, gold, $150, platinum, $200, and VIP, $250. Now, if your user or your customer direct downline upgrades, let's say they start as a bronze and they upgrade to a gold, we'll also pay you the difference. Now, there's no time limit on this, so they can upgrade at any time and you'll be able to get benefit. Now, it doesn't pay twice, all right? So if somebody's a bronze and they upgrade to a gold, you don't get 50 plus 150. But if you were already paid 50, we will give you the difference of $100 to make up the difference. All right, so whatever package your direct is up to, that's how much you should have reserved in direct referral fees. Now, during the next few weeks, we are actually running a promotion, which is a free bonus giveaway. And basically for every 2 members, and this starts as of today, right now, but for every 2 members that you directly refer, you'll get 3 bonuses in total. All right, so refer 2, get 1 more. So if you refer 2 bronze packages for $50, NovaTech will pay you an additional $50. This is going to be also the lesser of 2 packages. So if you refer a bronze for $50 and a silver for $100, you'll get matched on the bronze, which is the lesser of the 2. All right, so refer 2 people, get an extra bonus, and that will go in within 24 to 48 hours, the extra bonus. So the system will calculate it automatically for your direct, and then the free bonus giveaway will be credited within 24 to 48 hours after that. And again, that promotional period is going to end on November 15th. So between now and November 15th, you can participate and be able to benefit from this program. Now, we also have an indirect referral bonus, okay? And that's for your downline up to 5 levels. Again, anytime they refer somebody, you'll also get a percentage of that as well. And that goes all the way up to 10%. So you're earning 5% on your first tier, 2% on your second tier, and then 1% for tiers 3, 4, and 5. So again, this is for anybody that your direct downline refers. You'll also earn a percentage of the direct referral. Now we have something that we call a fast start bonus. And this is, this program only runs for your first 45 days of enrollment. But if you enroll directly yourself, 3 bronze members within your first 45 days, NovaTech will give you what we call a fast start bonus, and that's for the amount of $100. Now, if you enroll 5 silver members within that same time frame, you'll get a bonus of $300. Now, it's only 1 bonus per, but you can earn both. So for example, you can enroll 3 bronze people and 5 silver members and be able to collect $100 plus $300 for that fast start bonus. That's paid on day 60 after you've enrolled, but it's active for every member within their first 45 days. And it's just a way, again, to thank you for coming in, having faith in the program, introducing it to others so that you can get that as well. Now, we have what we call a check matching program. And this is basically any profit that your direct downline makes up to 5 levels, we'll give you back a percentage of it. Now, remember, we're collecting a percentage of the profits ourselves, all right? 10% of those profits that NovaTech is collecting, we are giving back to the affiliate program. So if you have a member that made $100 in profit that week and they're your first level, you'll get 5% of that, $5 for yourself. And that continues up again to 5 levels for earning a total of up to 10% of your downline's profits. Now, if the goal of this business is continue to grow and continue to make profit, and some people are reinvesting and it starts to compound, this will grow substantially over time. I do want to stress that, you know, that everybody should invest in themselves. I'm a huge believer of that. You want to make sure that you're putting in your own income and your own earnings and your own investments so that you can continue to grow your own portfolio over time. But for the networker or somebody who likes to share programs and with others, this to me is a game changer to be able to earn another 10% of everybody's earnings. Now we also have the residual bonus, okay, and this pays actually once a month, and it's calculated from the monthly fee that everyone pays. So although there is a monthly fee, it's commissionable back into the affiliate program, and you also earn up to 10% of that as well. We also have our rank awards, all right, and starting a junior executive, which is $500 and ranges all the way up to ambassador at $25,000. And we'd love to be able to add on to this as well as the business grows. Right now, it doesn't require you to have your own personal volume and group volume, again, which is why it was very important to us that we set up that matrix system so that you can get group volume from everybody in your downlines. And then it does require you to have some promotional requirements as well in your team. And this typically will pay out within a week or so of hitting those rank requirements. One of our favorite parts of this program is our profit sharing. Huge on profit sharing. So 10% of all our net profits that are earned through NovaTech go back into a profit sharing pool. You do have to be a higher rank to be able to participate in it, starting at senior executive. But 2% of all the company's net profits every quarter, okay, so that's every 3 months, goes into a pool, and all the senior executives will receive 2% of it. The directors pool will get 3%, and an ambassador pool will get 5% of all the company's net profits. So you can, again, imagine over time, there's no expiration date on it. As long as you're holding one of these ranks, it will continue to pay you every single quarter. So it is something that we're very excited about because, again, as we grow over the months, over the years, this is going to be able to benefit a lot of people. Now, right now, as we said, I really want to focus also on the vision, the mission, and the goal of what we've started and what we're doing. Uh, right now, we're trading. Okay, it's cryptocurrency and forex. However, the goal is over time, as we grow, to be able to find other ways to be able to benefit our customers also. We are a hedge fund company, and one of our responsibilities is making sure that we're finding investment solutions and options that benefit our clients at all times. And that may not just be trading, because trading is extremely lucrative, but it's also extremely volatile. And we want to be able to have a wider range portfolio, including cryptocurrency mining, real estate and investments, import, export, having our own exchange, so that we build a steady, progressive, and sustainable business. All right, because we can only continue to benefit as long as our customers continue to do so also. And we want to make sure that, you know, it's something that we can all rely on, and that we do it with the utmost integrity at all times. Okay, so one thing I like to stress, I say one thing, but it's really a bunch of things, right? But want to make sure that we're focusing on longevity, and that people understand when they join this process that it is a long-term business solution. All right, and if anybody introduces this business to you and tells you that this is how much you're going to make every day, and this is how long it's going to take, and run away. They're not talking about our business, they're talking about maybe some other business. All right, but everything we do, we put our name and face and our pride and our integrity in it, and our reputation. And it's very easy to fall into a lot of, you know, different traps or businesses or anything like that, that as long as you understand the risks involved, but also understand the benefits involved, then you can totally gauge how much of this you want to be involved in, how much you want to be involved in, for how long you want to be involved in. And if you ever have any questions, you have a team that stands behind it. If you ever want to see the trades, the numbers, whatever, it's all available to you. It's all in your back office. So this is a process that is going to grow over time. There's a lot of updates and upgrades that we want to see done also as we move along. It was important to us, again, to just make sure that we get something in everybody's hands that we can stand behind. So look forward to additional changes, look forward to updates, look forward to something that you'll be able to grow with. And guys, you know, one thing I really want to stress also before I leave you today is that we're not in competition with anyone. Um, it's so easy to want to say what one does versus what the other does, and we've never built our teams this way, we've never built our businesses this way, and we want to make sure that we continue to just have fun, make money, build together, and it's always the best way to do it is to do it as a team. You know, they always say you can go as far as you can or as fast as you can by yourself, but the further you want to go, make sure you bring a good team of people along with you. And hopefully that's what we're building, offering, and we appreciate everybody who started with us about 5 or 6 weeks ago during our pre-launch period and our testing period. And I'm glad we made it through it, and we look forward to offering you a lot more in the future. All right, again, this is Cynthia Petion. Also, before I leave, I do want to just give you guys a brief overview of the founders behind this. It includes Eddie Petion also as COO, Deborah Brazil as president, Ricardo Roy, who is the CTO also, as well as a slew of other people who are offering their expertise, intelligences, and support behind everything that we do. So God bless. Hope to see you soon. And on Thursday, 1 p.m. Eastern time, same time on Thursday, we will be offering another presentation and first look into this. And then as we get these rolling, we'll actually have training sessions, Q&A sessions that you guys can also participate in as well. All right, for now, if you need to send us any messages, you can find us at support@novatechfx.io. Okay, that is novatechfx.io. IO. So God bless. Have a great day, guys. Good night.